ano doon, oh. Pond. It's a goopy spot here.
All this garbage.
Yeah. Actually, they said it's garbage too. That solar panel. It's a big that house that they built there.
Yeah,
So
well,
big.
it looks bigger than it really is because garage is on this end. See the door?
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's a garage on this end. So the house probably don't start until you get past that walk-in door. Because I'm sure that walk-in door goes into the garage.
Yeah. That end there is a garage.
Yeah.
Corn. It says corn. And there's another spot here. Wet spot.
Now I gotta put some fertilizer.
Oh, this one? This one here that has little. Yan po, fertilizer container. Ooh, mauga. Mauga, manong. Paikot-ikot kami. Atras. Maglalagay po ng fertilizer dyan sa container na yellow. Yan. Oh, this one. This one here that has little. Yan po, fertilizer container. Ooh, mauga. Mauga, manong. Paikot-ikot kami. Atras. Maglalagay po ng fertilizer dyan sa container na yellow. Yan. Kaya nilalagay. Nagpupuno na siya, oh. Ayan guys, oh. Nagre-refill na siya. Kanina halos wala ng laman. Fertilizer po yan. That's fertilizer. And we're refilling it. I think that is enough. Yan guys, yan na po yung nataniman. That's what the blue one is. We're already planted. We're planting corn. So I have a chance to take a video here right now. So ito po ay steering wheel ay na-adjust po yan. Ayan na siya, ayan na siya, ayan na siya. Ayan na.
See your color in the field?
Yeah, you can see.
Well, I can show you better here once we get turned around.
Shaky here.
Little spot right there that was missed.
Yep.
That's where we lifted up.
And you have dirt too at the bottom. See that?
Down here?
Yeah.
That's going in the other field.
Okay.
Or the other part over there. See, it even shows that little...
Yep. Even shows that little wetty part there.
Yeah, they dug sand out of there years ago. never got filled back in.
Hello guys! Good afternoon mga ka-farmers, mga kabayan. Ayan po ang road dyan. Andun lang po ang bahay namin. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita dito. Yeah! See? It's growing guys. Corn is growing. Corn is growing. So main road po doon. Yup. Corn is growing. So maganda kasi may mga puno. Sa biyanan ko po ito. So yan po nakatira yung anak ng asawa ko dito sa may bahay na po nung malit lang naman. So may bahay na nung binenta ng may-ari itong property na to. Okay, yan na ang corn.